Hello everybody, King Troller here in Bird Paradise at the Penguin Cove. I just saw the sign just now. Most of the penguins, they're on the beach up at level 2 due to their breedings. Is that penguin up there? No, it's not. I don't think there's any penguins here because they're all up at the beach. Okay, we're going up to the beach now. Okay, here's the spot over here that you can watch the penguins. The penguins are upstairs now, especially the emperor. Just now I was underwater, now I'm gonna go to the beach. Here's the beach. Okay, as you can see, most of the penguins are up there instead of the underwater. I think the big one is the emperor penguin. Oh, is there a penguin down there? Oh, I just missed it. Oh, okay. That's a funny penguin that you just see just now. The arms wide open.
Looks like a real penguin.
Okay. Oh, a penguin. Oh, it just blew a bubble. It's just a statue. Oh, I think I saw the emperor penguin somewhere, but never mind. Okay, this escalator to the Australian outback and nothing much up there, so that's it.